Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy, and this is TELECiDE. Recommended by Peter Karagiris, who basically says, remember we did the Scandal song, Japanese all-girl band, and it was a bit poppy. So on that, Peter commented, if you want to hear a great fusion of J-pop, not really, and metal, okay, I'm more interested. Check out TELECiDE with Cycle of Addiction. So here we are. This is Cycle of Addiction. It's off this, which is, as far as I can tell, is just referred to as TELECiDE's second EP. Doesn't seem to have a name of its own. There's 4 songs on here, and it's from 2017. So this is obviously one of them. Without further ado, let's see what a mishmash of J-pop and metal sounds like. The thing is, who am I kidding? I've heard loads of songs that are a combination of J-pop and metal. Oh, wait, stop. Where's my video gone? Let's do that so no one can see what's going on. Where has my video gone? That doesn't make sense, does it? Where's it gone? Is it there now? It's there now.
From yesterday, believing that tomorrow will be better for
It's like two songs cut together, isn't it? Ba-doing. Did you hear that? That was good. That was my chair. I kicked something. Can't even make it do it again. Oh, there we go. That's not important right now. Yeah, it's like, get that on me here. It's like two songs cut together because the difference between the virtually black metal vocals and that pop chorus, the gap is a yawning difference, isn't it? Having said that, the chorus was so sort of dance alongable that pretty difficult to sit still to a melody like that. Da, 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 da. You're gonna help it. The problem I always think with bands like this is that the people who like the blackened death metal part and the really heavy production won't like the chorus part, and the people who really like the dance chorus part won't like the other, you know, because they're such separate camps. And I think you've got a very narrow sort of crossover of the Venn diagram of people who like both, you know. So having said that, where does that put me then? Well, that puts me admittedly somewhere close to that overlap. More on the death metal side, you know, more over there, but I can appreciate the melodic chorus that's not it's not bubblegum pop, you know, it's not saccharin coated pop music. It's still a nice, and pop music's not even a fair description really, but I'm just struggling for how to describe it. Because it's got a nice melody. There's plenty of songs out there. There's plenty of rock metal songs out there that have choruses like that. That's why I'm saying it's not pop music as in, you know, pop music. It's just so boppy and almost up compared to the serious black and death vocals of the verses. It literally feels a bit like two songs that somebody's cut together, because it jumps boom from one thing to another. The production it reminded me of baby metal production, actually. It had that rumble, it had that deep undercurrent of heaviness that baby metal has running through a lot of their songs. I'm not saying everything, but a lot of their songs, it reminded me of the baby metal thing. And also towards the end, they had the keyboard part, reminded me of Bloodstained Child, which is fair enough. I'm sure all these influence, you know, so they're all Japanese bands. You're in the Japanese music genres, aren't you? So you're going to pick up things. That's what it reminded me of. It's an interesting thing, isn't it? So like I say, it's a 4-track EP from 2017. If you're in that bit of the Venn diagram where it overlaps, and you like your death pop, then yeah, why not? It's in fact, without the video distracting you, because the problem with the video is, of course, you're walking along a street outside, just in public. You can't really, you probably get arrested if you went for the full as you're walking along, you know. So without the video, it's easier to imagine the blackened vocals as having somebody belting out rather than going, and all this blackened death metal coming out, you know. So I found the video a little bit, again, a bit of a sort of dichotomy. It was a bit separated out from what I was hearing. So yeah, I mean, you know, another talented bunch of Japanese people. There's definitely a fantastic music scene in Japan, and if it wasn't for the Japanese music industry's scary practices, I would be probably more all over the Japanese scene. I'd probably do a lot more of their videos, but instead I'm kind of cherry picking what I think I can get away with. Anyway, let me know what you think. It's a funny one, isn't it? I'll see you soon. Bye bye.